Today I'm going to introduce you to a toolkit which is hopefully invaluable if you're looking to get solar panels or a home battery installed, get an EV for example, or even a heat pump. Or you're just looking to see the performance of a real household here in the UK. Stay tuned to find out more. Hi everyone, I'm Danny V Solar. So personally, there's been some big changes in my life this year. One of which is that in June 2026, I was made redundant, although voluntarily, from a role that I'd held for around about 20 years in the IT industry in an engineering company. It's a little bit easy to get comfortable in a role that you've done for that long, and I thought that this change would force me into doing something different. I've loved creating YouTube videos since I started doing this in 2022 and helping you, the viewers, out with my own experiences using real world data from the systems I have installed as well. I love hearing the positive comments that people make when I've helped them in some way, and my most successful video to date has had around 60,000 views, which I find absolutely insane. So thank you for the support that I get from all of you. I think it would be absolutely amazing for me to be able to do this full time and make a living from people looking to get solar panels, a home battery, or purchase the first electric vehicle. Up until recently, with 2 children and a full-time job, I haven't really had a lot of time to create videos, but redundancy has given me a real opportunity to give this a good go now. Now, in terms of my channel, nothing much will be changing. The videos I provide every week will still be free to you to view, and subscribing to the channel to follow my journey as well, of course, is always free. I may also take on a few more product review videos, but as I always say, I'll only take on product review videos if I really believe in the product or if I would use my own money to buy the product itself. But really financially for me, I need to create a better set of products for you, the viewers. And this is hopefully what I've done with the introduction of the dannyvsolar.com website. I've been working really hard on this over the past few months, and I'm hopeful that the site provides an additional layer of value that viewers get above and beyond just viewing my videos alone. We've got quite a lot on here, so I wanted to start by talking you through the membership benefits if you sign up to my channel via Patreon or a YouTube membership. Check out the links in the video description or on screen now to join the membership, and from as little as £1.99 per month you'll get access to these 4 great tools, which if you're looking to get solar, a battery or an electric vehicle, or you're just not sure which is the best Octopus smart tariff for you, will hopefully provide a really useful guide for you. So once you sign up to a Patreon or YouTube membership, you will get access to this page, and this has the 4 individual tools on there. So as you can see, we have the Octopus comparison tool, which compares a lot of the current smart tariffs with the flexible tariff and lets you know which tariff is likely to be the best for you across the course of a year. We've also got a solar ROI calculator, so you can enter your roof size, your usage, expected install costs, and you can get an estimated payback on the system, and that includes export earnings as well, the current rates from tariffs, and also the impact the battery could have if you installed that as well. We've also got an EV versus petrol cost calculator, so this will estimate the fuel savings or charge savings if you had an electric vehicle versus using a petrol car. And if you're thinking of taking your first plunge into the world of electric vehicles, then this is a really good tool to see how much you could save on fuel costs. I also have my solar generation stats, which is real monthly generation from my own system here in the northeast of England. This includes how much I've generated every year, how much I've consumed, export income, and payback progress. And this is a really detailed breakdown of my statistics like I've provided monthly on my channel as well. So really useful if you want to compare it to your own system. Now, if you want to go even further into the world of solar, electric vehicles and heat pumps, then I also have 3 interactive courses on offer. Now, you don't need a membership to sign up to these, but the idea with these courses is that they will arm you with everything you need to know before pouring your hard-earned money into purchasing a solar install or a heat pump, for example, and will hopefully arm you with the knowledge to speak to solar or heat pump installers, or if you're looking to buy an EV, you'll know everything you need to know before you go ahead with this. Now, the introductory price for these courses is just £19.99 each, or you can buy all 3 courses for just £49.99, which hopefully you agree that if you're ploughing £10,000 plus into a solar install or even more into an electric vehicle, it's a small price to pay to make sure you're armed with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. So as you can see, the solar install guide, this has all the information you need regarding MCS certification, the export guarantee tariffs, system sizing, battery selection, an explanation of DNO applications and whether you need G98 or G99 approval. I talk about vetting installers and red flags, and it also links to Gary Does Solar's installer directory as well. And there's also some interactive quizzes throughout. The EV purchasing guide talks about WLTP figures and why they are not particularly accurate in real world settings. It talks about the difference in pricing between home and public charging, the true costs of EV ownership, and the used EV market as well. It also talks about Octopus tariffs and how you can dramatically reduce the costs of running an EV using a smart tariff, battery health, and there's also interactive quizzes again throughout. The heat pump course talks about refrigeration cycles, whether your home is suitable for a heat pump. It talks about the boiler upgrade scheme, £7,500 grant, how to vet an installer, and how heat pumps transform your energy system when combined with battery and solar. It also discusses some of the terminologies used in heat pump installs such as COP, SCOP, kilowatts, kilowatt hours, and that kind of thing. It also discusses what to expect from your installers, so things like the heat loss survey on your house, radiator upgrades versus underfloor heating, how heat pumps and solar integration works together, and again, there's also plenty of quizzes throughout to make sure you've absorbed that knowledge. I really hope that you find these courses valuable. If you're not prepared to put money into the courses, then even just a like or subscribe to the channel really helps get my video out to more people, which hopefully helps people who are looking to install solar or buy an electric vehicle, for example. I'd love to do more of this and to be able to provide more educational videos for you. Thank you for all of your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.